If you're in North Carolina, please stay weather aware as there are multiple severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings being issued right now. So some places like where I am in Mebane are under a tornado warning, so please get to your safe space, your most interior room, away from windows. If you're on the road, find a safe place to stay until the storm passes. And as we go through the rest of this evening and tonight, the severe storm threat continues and we could see more activity stretching into the triangle, Raleigh, and east. So the threat doesn't disappear right now. Continue to be weather aware, listen to your local meteorologist, and stay safe. We really went from we needed this to we are tired of this. The good news is that the flood risk has gone down. The flood warnings that we had earlier today are expired. But as you can see, the water is flowing good in many rivers and streams. And I can assume that the lakes are filling up as well, which is good news. So look out for the rest of the rain later today and tomorrow as well. We made it to the semifinals of the World Cup, and today the only way that Spain can beat France is if they play like prime Barcelona. So Cucurella is gonna have to play like prime Jordi Alba for Barcelona, and then Pedro Porro, well, he's gonna have to play like Sergio Ramos for Spain because temperatures will be in the mid 80s, and Mbappe has a 90% chance of scoring. It all comes down to this. After 104 games, we have made it to the finals of the World Cup, where Spain will be taking on Argentina. I want Spain to win just for the storyline. You may have seen this now viral picture between Lamine and Messi, and it would just be the official passing of the torch if Spain wins. With that being said, the star player for today will not be on the field, it will be VAR. VAR has the power to reverse time, take away goals, and we have seen which team has benefited from this already. So, the game takes place at 3 p.m. at MetLife Stadium. We can expect a comfortable 80 degrees temperature, 42% humidity, and the air quality is way better than it was earlier last week. So, who do you think will win? This behind me, this isn't a scene from the Outer Banks. This is what Ontario, Canada looked like yesterday. As you may have heard, there have been multiple wildfires ongoing across Ontario, Canada. But how did smoke from Canada make its way to North Carolina yesterday? Let me introduce you to a jet stream. So the jet stream right now is acting as a super highway. It has a northwest flow, so that's allowing smoke particles to travel hundreds of miles away. So it's no surprise that states across the upper Midwest and Northeast are experiencing dangerous air conditions right now. As you can see here, these are gray boxes which signify air quality alerts. So if you're in these states and you're prone to respiratory problems, be especially aware of the air around you in the coming days. So limit your time outdoors if possible and wear a mask if you need to.